So in the early days with Stable Diffusion, some of the very, very early AI image generation, you would look at the number of fingers or the limbs, and that would be an immediate tell that this was AI generated. What are the experts looking at today that make them say, oh, this is a really good model, or it still needs some work?
Yeah, so there's still some mistakes you can find, especially maybe rendering of text in the background, or there could be some details or some reflection, so you can kind of pick out some errors. Yeah, you can maybe zoom in and go into the pixel peeping on videos. You can definitely pick up some errors still, which you increasingly cannot do with images. It's harder and harder to do that with images, but with videos, these kind of rule of thumb still apply. There was a trend with animals doing gymnastics or diving in the swimming pool in a kind of Olympic style format. And you could definitely see there's so many issues still, but some models were just getting to a point that were just about possible in terms of just their body movements and how coherent they were. But there were still issues where the limb would go in a completely unnatural way, or there's something like a little bit off that you can't quite pick up, so that still definitely happens. But I would say character consistency over a longer period of time, where you've got movements just start feeling natural, where you don't notice it anymore, that's probably the best guide. If you don't realize, if you don't notice, that's probably the best rule of thumb.